Well, well, well. Who chewed the headset? Who chewed the headset? Riley? Who did that? Was it you, Riley? Did you chew the headset?
Hi, Mako. Did you chew something? Where is it? Did you chew something?
Where did this bologna go, Stan? Cinder. Hey, did you eat this? Cinder. Stan, did you eat all this? Cinderella.
Treats? What is this? Trash! What is this? Pepper, did you do this? Look at me. Did you do this? Is that a guilty? Pepper! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
So I just got home to this, and I'm trying to figure out which dog did it. Ben, did you do this? Petunia, did you do this? Butter, did you do this? You did this? Oh, that's a bad boy.
Did you do this? Did you do this? Really? Can I see your face? Yeah.
We need to have a conversation with you and with you. You sit. I want to know who is responsible for this and that and all of it. Was it you? Or was it you? Don't act like you don't know what I'm saying. That was you, wasn't it? That was you. Bad dog. Hanky.
What did you do? Why did you do that? Shame on you. Okay.
Who did... Who did it poop?
What do I do if my dog ate 96 crayons? 96 crayons! And a remote!
What'd you do? Huh? What is this?
To Daddy over that toy. Where are you? Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. No. Come here. Come here.
Come here. Get over here. Get over here. Come here. Come on.
What is this?
What is this? Was this you? Did you poop in the house? Nova.
What is this? What is this? Hmm? Did you do this? Did you do this? Did you do this? Did you do this, Jackie? I don't think so. Did you do this? Hmm?
What did you do? What did you do? Oh, that's what you did. Dempsey. Eating rocks. Come on. Come here. Yep. You are in trouble. Come on. Want to tell me what this is about?